Alright, what's up, y'all? Okay, so back in the shop. I got some stuff for y'all today. Got some gifts for y'all today. Okay, so this is gonna be a really rush video. So this is gonna be day one of picking up some stuff for the Cadillac. So we got some ignorant people trying to call us out. Yeah, so we about to make some moves, some real big moves. But yeah, so I got a couple things to show y'all. So I went and ordered some stuff. Something like that, and that box behind it. And then, hold on. Then some stuff from here. And some stuff from there. So, we've been a little active, been doing some stuff. So, yeah, man, it's, hold on, let me turn this light on. Okay, that's better. Yeah, man, it's about to get real. It's about to get real. Let me put some of this stuff down over here. Okay, so, for further ado, let me show y'all what we got. All right, we got a couple things going on over here. We got some headers right here. And we got the cap back to the stock muffler. We got a pulley. But with a pulley, you gotta do something. You gotta do some injectors. They don't say what they are, but I need to rip it open so I can tell Pat what's going on, so I can give him that card so he can go ahead and make a base. So when we start it up, we can just start it up. I already have a tune ready. So let me get that open real quick, and I'm gonna get that other box open so you can see. All right, so like I said, I was gonna open up these boxes and stuff so y'all see the headers and everything now. Now, let's open this thing up. Let's get a little closer. These are FIC, fuel injector clinics, not connection. These are 1200cc injectors. This is the paperwork I need to give to the old man so he'll know what he needs to do on the tune. And let's see what pulley we got. Uh-oh. $245 LSA pulley. I wonder where the hub is. Oh, the hub is right behind it. Cool. But yeah, so it's about to go down, y'all. We're about to make some power. But let me get back to y'all tomorrow when we actually get started on the car. And we can go from there. Holla.